Well, complexity is a concern in manufacturing, and rightfully so. And a lot of companies associate complexity with implementing new software, but I would argue that the complexity is already there. The complexity of what do I need to be focusing on right now? Where are my biggest problems? And not knowing that is a level of complexity, but it's hidden complexity. And not understanding where I need to be focusing my efforts is leading to massive inefficiencies of I'm just kind of throwing everything at a wall and seeing what sticks, so to speak, as trying to solve my quality problems without necessarily knowing where my attention should be focused. And by leveraging an intelligent system that points me in the right direction, I reduce a lot of complexity and I reduce a lot of ambiguity with where should I be focused right now? What should I be focused on? Where should I be expending my resources versus just, well, I'll try everything and see if the bottom line increases, right? So complexity is an important element, but complexity is already present if you're flying blind without visibility into your real quality issues, without understanding what's running well and what's not running well. Modern SPC software solutions allow implementation that's easier than ever before, especially when you're delving into the realm of cloud-based solutions that only require a web browser and a sign-up and a login. Then you can get up and running in minutes as opposed to days or hours with very little upfront investment and no infrastructure required. You literally just sign up for a service, log in, and start leveraging the system. You have to set up the system, mind you, but whenever you're dealing with modern quality systems, they understand manufacturing. They're built by people that worked in manufacturing for people that are working in manufacturing, and they're designed to make it as seamless as possible to get up and running quickly and understand and start uncovering where you need to focus on your issues. And so not only is the implementation of the software, the rollout of the software reduced in complexity, but it then starts removing the complexity of uncertainty of where are your problems, what should I be focusing on, why is my bottom line being impacted in such this way? I can't figure out what's going on. And data overload is easy, and it's very easy to say, well, there's too much for me to look at. Where do I begin? By implementing an intelligent software solution, quality software solution to point you in those right directions, it's pointing you where you need to focus on so that you can get to the business of fixing the quality problems as opposed to deciding where to start. With Infinity QS Solutions, we're bringing to the table decades and decades of manufacturing experience. We all came from the shop floor. We all came from manufacturing. We lived that world. We live it every day. We work with customers every single day, trying to help them solve their quality problems. Their manufacturing is diverse. It brings to a lot of complexity, a lot of diverseness to the table, and our solutions have been built with that in mind. And we started off 30 years ago in this business, and we've constantly evolved our product and reinvented our products where necessary to handle the ever-changing face of manufacturing and work with manufacturers to make it easy for them to implement the software, get the answers they need, and take action on the intelligence that we're giving them.